Simba and I are heading over to Blue Hen Falls via the Buckeye Trail. That's here in Ohio, so we're heading there now and we'll see you when we get there. Simba and I are here at the trailhead ready to get our second hike in for today. So sit back, relax, enjoy the tour, and we'll see you on the other side. And the bark means that we're at the end of the line, which also means that it's biscuit time. You ready for your biscuit, Simba? Of course you are. Good job. We hope that you enjoyed our tour. Be sure to like and subscribe, and remember, your support goes directly to Simba's Hikes for Biscuits Fund, where your likes can turn into big, big biscuits for Simba. We'll see you next time, travelers.
Chasing sunsets and paw prints across the country. That's life on paws and wheels.